It's here. Let's just open it right here on the hood of the car. I just decided to go for the middle. Well, looky there. We got 4 big horse rasps. So, what's the plan with these? Why get randomly old rusty pieces of horse rasps? So I was thinking about turning these into scalpel knives. But if y'all have any better ideas what to do with these, let me know. So now here's the interesting part. I don't actually have any knife making tools or material or really anything. I have woodworking stuff, but not, knife making stuff. Now we're gonna make this into a series of everything that I'm gonna buy or kind of need just to make one knife. It's not gonna be like expensive stuff, it's gonna be more like affordability things. So that way, for anybody interested in making knives, they would actually be able to see me go through the same process of wanting to make a knife, but just not really knowing where to start or what to get. So we're gonna learn this all together. So if anybody has any recommendations of things to get, let me know. Thanks. I forgot to mention, I have this handy dandy book to show me how to make certain forges. It has all the parts that we'll need and exact measurements. And if you didn't want a gas forge, they also show you how to make a really cheap coal forge. And they tell you everything you need and how to build it. So that's gonna be fun.